you're going to learn shortcuts and buttons right now. All right, so right now you turn the engine on and the camera by default starts recording. We see a little dot. Every second records, you tell you there, when it's been recording, and that's perfect. Now, a few shortcuts we can activate it right now when the camera is recording. Now, if you want to take a picture, you can take a picture by pressing this button, the arrow. We can say that is arrow up right there. And if I press it right here, automatically take a picture. All right, let's see if you guys hear that. It will make a noise for the picture. Yeah, so not only is recording right now, I'm taking pictures by activating the shortcut, and we can see the little camera there, shortcut. Now, can I turn on and off the microphone? We see the microphone right now is on. Maybe we want to turn off the microphone. That's okay. I'm going to press the arrow down once, and what I just did, I'll turn off the microphone, and we see the little dot right there. See, this is a cool shortcuts. Anytime when I turn it on again, now we turn it on the microphone. Now, if I want to write protect this video, for some reason I want to make sure the video will not get deleted through the loop format, I'm going to press the menu once when it's recording, and you see that right there, the little lock is being activated. All right, see, those are all the things you can do when the camera is actually recording and working. All right, not in a standby mode or when I stop recording. All right, so right now this file, in any file after this, every file 1 minute video, it will be write protected. All right, so now the only way to stop the write protection is to stop the camera recording. So how to stop the camera recording? You're gonna hit the OK button, and the camera stop recording and no longer write protected. If the camera restarts again, it will restart normal, not write protected. My next shortcut will be how we can go to the photo mode. Photo mode, I'm going to hit this for 1 extra second, and I'm going to release any button. I'm going to hold it, and now we are on the shortcut of picture mode. Picture mode, there is only one mode, and that's the OK mode, just to take picture. You hit here, take a picture, hit it again, and take pictures. So if I uncover this so you guys can really see that. So if I go like this and you press it, see? So we can see the menu much clearer that way. So we're right over here. We can see we can take another 3,800 picture, 12 megapixel camera, and all that. So that's the shortcut. Now I want to go to the play mode shortcut. I'm going to hold it for an extra second. Do not release any button. And now we are in the play mode. So in the play mode, we see the little icon right there. It's a play mode. We can navigate left and right, so we can navigate between pictures and video. So if I press here, I will be navigating through the menus by going here. That's my shortcut to that. Right, and if I want to play, really simple. I press OK button, and see right now it's actually playing the video. Or if I get a picture, you can do you will display that picture. Now, if we want to see the configuration of this section, I press once again real fast, and this shortcut automatic for the video mode or the playback setting. I'm sorry, you can go and delete or protect the file. Right, and to get back into the main menu back again, I'm going to hold it for a few seconds. Let's hold that and let's go back there, and now we are once again on video mode. Right, to activate the video mode, once again I'm going to press the OK button, and the camera will start recording. Now, so my next one is shortcut to the Wi-Fi. Now, when the camera is recording, you don't need to stop that. Right here on the one that says microphone also has the function of turn on your Wi-Fi. So you're going to hold it for an extra second, and you release it. And now we are ready to connect right with your app, and that's the information you need to connect to the camera using the Wi-Fi and the application all together. So as you see, it's pretty simple. Now you learn how to navigate what the shortcut mode when the camera is actually recording. It's pretty cool because we can take picture when the camera is recording. We can activate or deactivate the microphone, and the other shortcuts to navigate either into the play mode or to the picture mode. Thank you.